This is Nick from What the Gem, and in this one I'll show you the magic of the Polariscope, an easy way in gem identification. Like the refractometer, a Polariscope can be very expensive. Mine is cheap and I love it, especially because the bottom stage also spins, so I can rotate the stone easily without tweezers. If you can, pick one with a rotating stage, it makes everything easier. Polariscopes can be smaller or bigger and look different, but you always have a light source and two polarizing filters. The gem goes between them and you observe the stone from the top. A Polariscope shows whether a gem is isotropic, anisotropic, or polycrystalline. You can rule out a lot fast, though there are tricky cases. Let's see how it works in practice and I'll explain what's happening along the way. Use a transparent or translucent stone. Avoid opaque or closed back settings. Cross the polars to block the lights. Place the gem on the polarizer bottom. Rotate the stone by turning the stage or with tweezers. If it stays dark while rotating, it is isotropic. If it blinks light and dark 4 times during a full rotation, it is anisotropic. If it remains bright throughout, it is polycrystalline anisotropic. Special cases. First, anomalous double refraction, ADR, in otherwise isotropic stones, some garnets or glass. You see two dark bands that merge in the center, not always easy to distinguish, especially in darker gems. Second special case, tabby extinction, this striped pattern common in synthetic spinel. Third special case, a moving dark band like a flash or wave wiping across as you rotate. This is still anisotropic behavior due to the cut and orientation. I like this instrument because it sets the mood for what follows. If you see anisotropic, expect pleochroism and birefringence. If you see isotropic, refractive index testing will be faster. If you see polycrystalline, you've narrowed to just a few options. Inclusions and strain can interfere, so not every stone is textbook. Keep an open mind, nature isn't perfect. Thanks for watching. For more content and exclusive videos, check out What the Gem on Patreon and TikTok. Links are in the description below. See you around.